Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we've got a bunch of spoiler mods to be doing to the GT86. I've got these Perrin little wing rise kits that go for the facelift exhaust, or the facelift spoiler, so this will just give it a good 20mm rise. And we've also got a few Maxton bits from Form 7 to be fitted on, so yeah, let's get on with it. We'll start off with the little wing rise kit first. Okay, yeah, so very simple, easy process this one. You're just going to be using some pry tools to remove the little bumps, little caps on either side of the car. Very simple and easy enough to do. And then once you're under there, you've just got 2 bolts on each side to undo. Easy enough, they're just 10mm if I remember correctly. But yeah, simple enough, not too difficult to undo those before, obviously, just pick the spoiler up, come straight off after that. And then all you're really doing is adding your little 10mm rise pieces, little spacers, and then you're basically just doing the same few steps in reverse. You got a few longer bolts to fit in. The kit actually comes with some thread lock and everything else, so I believe all you're really going to need is a wrench to undo the original bolts and the pry tools to get the little caps off, but that's all real simple enough. But yeah, once you've got those back on, it's all done, all secure, and nothing really to worry about. So very simple, easy little mod. Okay, so that is that first little bit on. Very quick and easy. It's nice mods like this because it means Matt doesn't complain about rolling around on the floor. So yeah, quick easy one, just 4 bolts to undo and 4 new bolts to put on, and then we got a nice little bit of a rise. Now let's get the Maxton stuff out and let's get on with those. Also, one more quick one, we forgot about this rubber bumper that you are supposed to remove with the kit, so we're just going to quickly do that now. It's just a basic little Allen key, so let's get that done quickly. So we have a little problem. The main spoiler one is all fine, we've got the 3M tape, but obviously there's no tape on the roof spoiler, so we don't quite understand how you're supposed to fit it any other way. So obviously we're going to have to use some of our own and work it out. Yeah, we're not sure if there's just a fault with it. We've obviously messaged Maxton and we'll let you know in the description below exactly whether we're being idiots or if there was just a mistake on this one. But we have been waiting long enough, as this was a Christmas present for me, so I kind of just want to get it on now, so we're just going to get on with it. But yeah, just look in the description below and we'll let you know in the future once we know what's happened. But yeah, let's get it on. Okay everyone, so yeah, hope you all enjoyed that one. I am really enjoying how it all looks, definitely great. Don't forget as well, all the Maxton stuff's available in Form 7. We got discount for them, so make sure you check all that out in the description below. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed it and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.